Hi everyone, this is Escon from Online Tools Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to share with you some features of YouTube that I have just recently discovered. So I am going to unbox YouTube subscriptions and other features. So let's begin. Click on Google Apps, then go to YouTube. So it will take you to your profile account. Click on your profile and go to YouTube Studio. When you are in the YouTube Studio, you can see the heading Channel Dashboard. So on the left, you can see many things here. But first we'll go to the subscription area. So scroll down and you will find here recent subscribers for the last 90 days. This is my account. Okay, so you can see here the official subscribers. When you want to see them all, just click on this and you will find their names here. So these subscribers, they preferred to see their profile in public, but there are other subscribers that they opted not to show their profile in public, but they subscribed to your account. So you can find all of them by simply clicking on this. And there is one who subscribed to my channel, but I am not aware of. So if you are the channel owner, what do you supposed to do? Are you going to leave it like this, or you are going to subscribe to the channel? Okay, so here they are. So almost all of them I have subscribed to. Okay, when someone subscribed to my channel, automatically I subscribe also, like this one. So I have 2 already that I need to come back and subscribe to. Sometimes out of the blues you will find someone or some YouTubers who subscribe to your channel, but you don't know, you are not aware of, because they don't leave any footprints, no message at all. And simply you need to check regularly who are these people who are so generous in helping. So I have here this one. So I got 3 already, and 4, 5, and 6. So I need to come back to this 6 subscribers and subscribes to their channel too. Another feature that I discovered is the on the left side. When you click on this, you can see all the videos that you have, including their analytics. So you can find the list of all the videos that you created, including the number of views and the restrictions, if there is a copyright claims, and the comments also. So when you click on comments, this one, click on that, I have 52 comments, and you will see that held for review and likely spam too. So this happens because I heard from some people that if you don't watch the video for less than 3 minutes, then it will go to spam. That's what I heard from them, but there is no clear rules about these things. So this is the comment section. Okay, go back to your video, and here it is. So click on this, and what do you see here? Subscriptions again. Down below you can see now the list of subscriptions that I had for the last 6 weeks, I think. So I have subscribed to 994 people, but at the moment I only have 417 subscribers. So it means that the rest are did not respond to my to my to my invite, or they did not respond to what I have shared to them. Okay, so this is how you are going to see the total number of your subscriptions. And the other one, you go back to YouTube Studio, then it will take you to channel dashboard. Scroll down until the end and you will find the recent subscribers. Now, how are you going to see if you are already monetized? So you can click on this and there you go. You will find if you are qualified for monetization. And what else did I discover? This audio library. This library is free. You can use this the YouTube music for free without copyright claim. Okay, so you can choose from here and you just select the type of music that you like for your video, and then come back. And for the playlist, this one you can create this, but this is going to be another thing. Just click on this new playlist, write the title, and create. Okay, so you can change this from newest to oldest. So this playlist will organize your videos or classify your videos according to what type of videos are they, and the viewers can see them very clearly. They are organized in one folder. Unlike the old feature of YouTube, I think that the videos are scattered everywhere, but this one is organized nicely. This is the new feature of YouTube. Okay, return to your YouTube Studio, and you want to see the if you want to see the analytics, here they are. So this is my channel, and you can see the average view and many other things. So that's it. This is what I discovered recently about YouTube or YouTube features. Thanks very much for watching. This video is for beginners. Have a nice day. Don't forget to click subscribe